Okay, this is Josie and she's prepping my 24 carat soap and she's going to wash it on my face. Making it clean. And then the second step is the 24K mask, 15 to 20 minutes into your skin. So what is this stimulates?
Skin,
tightening the skin, make it radiant looking and smooth. That's step 2. This is pretty good, you know, if you haven't got time to spend on your face like hours. This is a quick.
Yeah.
This includes 2 to 3 times a week. You got to just massage into it for 15 to 20 minutes. Ah. Does this?
You can see.
Yeah. Does this quickly penetrates into your skin?
Yes.
So it's almost like an activation. And if you have good skin, the product will absorb real quick, because if you've got blocked pores and all that, the cream will just sit on top of the skin.
Yes, it's absorbed straight
Did
in.
mine sponging? Yep. So with the mask, do you keep on adding a little bit of water on your fingers, or you just spread it around?
Just spread around.
Spreading
and
it
you
around.
massage until it absorbs your skin and leave
Well,
it 15
has,
to
yeah,
20 minutes.
It has, yeah.
You see all the gold in your skin already.
Yeah.
It's very
Oh,
nice.
Yeah.
we're going to clean the mask off with the soap. So once you've taken the mask off with the soap, you clean, wipe off, and then the serum.
Okay.
And that goes all over the face?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the serum? Is that the vitamin C?
It's a hyaluronic acid, collagen.
High dry.
Yeah, collagen, vitamin C, EB5 for that
Okay.
one. And Matrix 3000 as well. It's tightening your skin very much. It's real gold, 24K. Okay, 24K gold cream. Yes.
So Josie's going to apply the 24K gold cream on my face.
We got a lot of feedback from customers. The cream is very nice.
So this cream will tighten up your skin and firm up your skin and reduce the wrinkles. It's got caviar.
Yes.
And my skin absorbed it in.
It's quick absorbed. It's not thick your skin like other creams.
So my
gonna feel
skin's
light.
liking it.
Light?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. That's it. Nice.
My skin's taking it in.
And your skin will improve within 14 days.
Oh,
You can feel the
difference?
difference.
Can you feel it feels nice, Tina?
It does. It feels,
Does it feel fresh?
yeah, that's the word. Yes, it
That's
feels
how it
fresh.
looks. It
Yeah.
looks fresh.
Oh, does it? Yeah, it feels fresh.
Yep. There you go.
Yes. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you,
you.
Josie.
Thank you. Thank you, Tina.
Thank you.